This is a review of the Kamado Joe Big Block Extra Large Lump Charcoal. Thought I'd give this a try. It's such a well-known brand in the barbecue world. And this is sort of an unboxing and my first time using it. So the cool thing about this bag is if you cut the string and you get this one piece open at the back, if you look at it from that side, you just pull it like this and the whole thing comes open. You don't have to cut it. And there you go. I would say that's the first thing I really like about it. I like to use this fire starter, and I'm just going to grab some, throw it in here by hand. I sure like the size of it. I mean, here's one really big piece. I'm going to leave that in there. I'd say the mix between really big pieces and smaller ones is very nice. I've had some natural charcoal bags where there seem to be too many small pieces, but these are really nicely sized. So there we go. Let's see how this goes. It's burning nicely and I'm going to place it there. Alright, so it's been about 20 minutes since I lit the charcoal, and I must admit it looks beautiful, settled a little bit. I'm going to dump it out now and we will see what it looks like here. There we go. Let's see. I'm going to break these very big pieces. Yeah, these held up beautifully. I'm just going to be fixing 2 steaks, so I didn't want to have too much, and this is perfect. Puts out very nice heat, and none of these pieces are dropping through the grill, so the sizing is perfect and the heat is wonderful. This product definitely gave me everything I'm looking for and would definitely recommend it.